Donald Barber with the J. Michael Manley team at Keller Williams, Greenville, Upstate. Today we're outside 21 Middlefield Court and Sadler's Ridge in Simpsonville, where they have a community playground and pool. Inside this home, you're going to find just over 2,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, an additional sunroom, and a huge deck in the back. Plus you've got the front porch here. So let's go in and check it out. As you walk into this home, you'll notice new LVP flooring, brand new carpeting, and fresh paint throughout. In the kitchen, you have stainless steel appliances, wooden countertops, and options for both formal and informal dining.